nighttime?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not like I talk to him every single day. We weren't like best friends like that.
Right.
I talk to him like twice a week.
Did you ever go over there during the day as well, or at night?
Most at nighttime, yeah. I tried to sleep during the day. So I don't know if he was. He might have been working. I don't know if he did. I didn't know about it.
How about, did you ever go camping, or was he ever out in a camper or anything like that?
No, but he used to, he goes fishing a lot. He takes the boat out by, what the hell is that? By Squirtin, it's a fucking lake. I can't remember what it's called.
Describe his house, there at Squirtin Road. What's it look like inside and everything?
Well, as soon as you walk in, you see the living room, and then there's a hallway, and the bathroom's right there. Then I don't know how far down it goes, because I've never been in his room and shit. You just go in the living room.
In the living room? So when you enter the residence, and what room are you in?
Living room.
Living room.
Yeah.
And right as you enter, what's on your left and what's on your right?
On the right is a hallway on his, I think it's his room, and on the left, on the right, it's a hallway on his room, on the right, there's a bathroom right there. I've never been no further than that. I don't know if it's his kid's room or not, I don't know, I've never been in there.
Where's the kitchen and all that?
Right here. Like, as soon as you walk into the living room, the kitchen's right here. So it's almost like you can see it together.
So you're walking into the living room.
And then the kitchen's right there too.
And it's an open kind of area through the kitchen?
Yep.
Was there any other thing distinctive about his decor inside?
No, not really.
I mean, what kind of couch, furniture, that kind of thing do you have?
I don't know, just a regular couch. And there's our scenes, and then you go in there, you walk in, the kitchen's right here, you walk through, the living room's right here, there's the stairs right there, you walk upstairs, the bedroom's upstairs, and there's one down here.
Okay. What about, was there anything about the house and outside, the yard, anything that was distinctive to?
No, his boat was there.
His boat?
Yep.
What kind of boat did he have?
I don't know, just another boat, you fishing?
Like a pontoon boat?
No, it's not a regular boat.
A regular boat?
Yeah.
Okay. About how long was it?
I don't know, like, maybe 3 times the size of his wall? No, twice anyway, at least twice. Or like twice this, maybe 2.5.
In length?
Yeah.
Okay. What about in the yard? Was there anything in the yard that was typically there, or would it be vehicles or anything like that?
No.
What kind of vehicle did you drive?
A truck.
What kind of truck?
No, black one, I don't know what kind it is, but.
Did you ever ride in that truck?
No.
Did Kyle ever have anything in his yard that he kept as far as storage or anything like that?
No.
What about vehicles or anything like that? Was there ever anything? If he's not working?
I don't know. I don't know. Like I said, I only see him like maybe twice a week. I don't know what he does during the day. Maybe he does work, I don't know.
And when you would go there in the evenings, you would see Justice, or you wouldn't?
No.
Or you would not see her?
No.
Was she staying there?
Yeah.
How do you know that?
Because they were together. He told me they were together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know when she moved in there, or how long they've been together?
All I know is that she trashed his house, I guess. That was it.
And you know that from
he told me,
yeah. How would you assess Justice's, personality and mental well-being? Is she a stable person? Is she normal? Was he ever saying that in 2018?
Oh yeah.
What would he say?
Just that she's always on Facebook. She's always on his phone, she's always flipping out, they're always fighting.
They're always fighting.
Yeah. And she said that he said that she went in his house and smoked meth in there on purpose so that his house would fail for the meth test.
Oh, yeah, that's what he said in here?
Yep.
Yeah, yeah. But back in 2018 timeframe, was he telling you about fights and all those kind of things then too?
No.
Oh, okay.
You know, I never hung out with them together. Justine, yeah, but not Justice.
Was Justine ever over at the home there with you? At the Scaney home?
No.
No.
It was always at her house downtown.
And was that when they were together? Kyle, Justine? Is that when you were at Justine's house?
Yeah, when they were together.
So they were an
Yeah.
item, so to speak?
Yeah.
Okay. How were they together? Were they?
They were fine.
A couple?
They were good after they thought they were going to go forever, but drugs got involved, I guess, and messed the whole relationship up. But
Did they ever talk about what was the demise of their relationship?
no. Like every time I went over, it seemed fine. Everything seemed fine, but I think it's just because I was there.
Sure, no one wants to.
Fighting for him, yeah.
Makes sense. All right. I think that's all the questions I have. I probably will have more.
I'm here if you can talk to me again.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I do. I really do appreciate that. It's one of those things where, you know, the truth has to come out. All I'm looking for is the truth.
That's it, yeah.
And
I told him, I said, if you never fail, just get it done. Be sober when you get out. Your hair, if you fail your hair mount, I tried telling him, like, I was like, if you fail, that was the past. You know, get out, do good, and you won't have to worry about nothing.
how did he respond to that?
Well, I still want to have fun. I don't want them to run my life. I want them to have control over my kid. Like, if it was me, I'd been like, here you go. Now watch, when I get out, I'll do good. That's what I would have done. If you're going to do good for your kid, just do it good for your kid anyway when you get out.
Was he responsive to that?
Not really. He was giving me like a shitty look on his face. And
Well, you could share, I mean, your own experience, I guess. Do you think that's what we're trying to do, to take the kid?
no.
Do you think that's what we try to do with you?
No, hell no. You guys give me more than a chance.
It's actually
That's the last thing you guys
It's
do,
more
I
work.
think. Because I was thinking like that, like my kids have been taken already, but they ain't. We're still trying to work, we're still trying to get on the right road here.
yeah, right.
Look at how long I've been going through CPS. 3 years. Well, we did a year and a half, and she got him back. And she got taken away again, but now we're still going for it, you know?
Sure.
You guys could turn my rights a long time ago when you
Did
did
you
it.
share anything about that with Kyle?
I told him, I've been going through the same thing for 3 years. He's like, well, I'm not going to be going through that for 3 years. Everything I said to him, he'd be negative. Like, I'm not giving my hair sample. I'm not. If I don't care if you can get me out of jail, I'm not going to do it. One day I see him walk out, and he must have did it. I don't know if he did it or you guys just let him go.
Is it an image thing for him? Like he doesn't want to admit or other people to know he's a user? Or
I think he's just guilty. I think he just likes to use and doesn't want to quit.
he's protecting his habit?
Yeah, that's what I think, yeah.
Worried about what this might be?
Because I think if he was just wanting to do good, he would have given the hair sample and just go do good. I mean, guys would let him out of jail as soon as he gave him the hair, but he wouldn't do it.
All right. Well, December 5th and 6th is an adjudication that I'll probably will call you as a witness at that. So, I can't emphasize enough, and I don't know if I've told you this before or not, but process is more important than anything. Okay, so when I call you as a witness, I'm just looking for the truth. There are no promises here. You understand that, right? I mean, it wasn't too long ago when you and I were in the courtroom for your hearing on your sentencing, you know what I mean? And I stand by my recommendations there. You understand that?
Yeah.
So, I don't want you to think from our meeting that I have any kind of change in my
Right.
part.
I know what
You
you're
understand
saying,
that,
yeah.
right? Do you have any questions about that at all?
No?
Okay, well, thanks again, I appreciate
Yep.
the information and how forthright you are, I really do.